Hi, I'm Adam Goodman from Two Chefs, and this is some of our feature items from our catering division. We do catering events all over Phuket. We happen to be on a beautiful yacht today. And this is some of our menu items. Beautiful seared tuna tartare. Here we have our Parmesan crisp with a poached apple, gorgonzola cheese with a little bit of mint. Here we have our honey roasted lamb with a fennel salad and served on a taro chip. This is one of our most popular items. We have a beautiful prawn ceviche, and it's done in passion fruit, and it's a little bit spicy but very tropical and very fresh. This is one of our most popular items as well, and it's a duck confit with a cognac jam and a little bit of goat cheese and a little bit of arugula mixed in. This one people go crazy for. So this is our lobster custard, topped with a little bit of lemon zest and caviar. Enjoy!